we are currently expanding the boundaries of our life habitats. So we are exploring the universe, and we want to settle in, in the moon first, and then in Mars. And this is, I think, just part of who we are as humans. We've already pushed the boundaries of explorations, and it's just like music or like art or like spirituality or whatever. It's just part as who we are as humans. So I'm convinced we'll go to Mars, and probably farther in the coming future. And so in this journey, Moon is the first step of that journey. It's a step where you can learn a lot, because to settle on Mars, there are many questions mark. How are you going to produce electricity, for example? How are you going to ensure communication, for example, etc., etc. There is also the question of sustainability, and because if you go there, it takes you 6 months to go there, so you better have thought through a plan which is a minimum sustainable, because of course you'll not be able to carry with you everything you need, and then if you want to go back, it will take another minimum 6 months, right? So it's much better to have a playground which is a few days far from the Earth, and where you can already kind of mimic what life could be on Mars, and where you can solve very important challenges, as I was saying, like energy, for example, in a place which is not too far from the Earth. So, and then something which is especially interesting in the Moon is that you have tons of water ice, so water, and with water, of course, you can produce propellant, because the spacecrafts, they use liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, or they use liquid methane. So the Moon is a great refueling station, if I may say so, to explore the universe further. The Moon is really here, the first step to learn how to live in a sustainable manner before we go to Mars. How to live in